Hi, Paul.
Hello there, Dee. So today we've got another video to share with you. We're wanting to outline our thoughts about a workshop we're doing next Tuesday called Pathways to the New World.
Yes, the world is changing and it is definitely emerging into a new paradigm.
Yes, a new paradigm. Yes, it's quite a time to be alive at the moment. There is so much turmoil going on in different parts of the world, so many forces of belief and attitudes and suspicion and lack of trust and fears and greed, all sorts of things which are quite difficult to be part of. And so
Yes,
that's a challenge. This workshop is actually like a future workshop because it's really saying to you, well, how can we prepare for the future? How can we, in a way, live a life now which will help our world to be a better place in the future rather than one that's going to crumble and humanity kind of destroy itself.
that's right. And the wonderful way that we really need to do this is this ability to tune into our own truth and to what really matters to us. And the things within our soul, our consciousness is that nature, the climate, you know, the identity of the earth is very important. And it's also about trying to tune in what your role is in what you can give to the earth to strengthen it and in turn strengthen us.
Yeah, so these are like questions we'll be asking you and asking your inner consciousness so you can discover more fully what you can do in this day and age and how you can link with others lovingly to do your best for our earth just now. It's, it's, it's in one part maybe conservation and things like that, but in other parts there's so many different ways it may be right for you, and you need to find out what that is.
Yes. At the end or the bottom line of this workshop is about looking ahead with love and an openness to really and truly take charge of that unique spirit that you have and see how it can be used to connect and to expand, you know, the Earth's consciousness as we move to this new era.
Yeah, so hopefully if you care for the earth and you care for humanity's place on earth and really want this earth to be as good as possible, as a really wonderful place for people and other forms of life to live on, then hopefully you'll find this workshop useful and provocative for you to learn more fully your place.
Yes, and we can't wait to have you join us. The workshop is going to be on Tuesday, December the 15th at 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Time, and of course, that is 8 a.m. for our UK friends.
Yeah, thanks very much for listening, and yeah, we'd love to see you there.
Yes. Bye now.